Hi everybody, welcome back to this channel. Thank you very much for joining me once again. We are continuing with your pre-trial exam, and today we're going to be looking at the 2024 pre-trial from the Mpumalanga province, and it's on application of calculus, right? So guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that you have subscribed. Just turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time when we drop. And again, if you like to support the channel, you can click on the join on the join button, and you can see various ways in which you can support the channel. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Refer to the figure showing the parabola given by f of x equals to 4 minus x squared divided by 4 with x between 0 and 4. D is a point which is x in 0, and db is parallel to the y-axis with b on the graph of f. All right, so the first question, 9.1, they want us to write down the coordinate of b in terms of x, right? So you can see that the x coordinate of d is the same as the x coordinate of b, which is x. Okay, so there we are fine. What about the y coordinate? So to get the y coordinate of this point, it's on this curve here, which is given by y is equals to 4 minus x squared over 4. Okay, so it means that we can replace this y, right, by what? By 4 minus x squared over 4. 4 minus x squared over 4, giving us the y coordinate of b, because it's on that curve. All right, so that is it. Let's go to 9.2. 9.2, they want us to show that the area of A, right? The area A, not of A, the area A of triangle OBD. Let's just represent this OBD. This is the triangle they are speaking about, OBD, right? This is the triangle, right? It's given by A equals to 2x minus x squared over 8. Okay, so you know that in this triangle we were told that BD is parallel to that, right? So it's parallel to the y-axis, so obviously we know that this is 90, so that is a right angle triangle. So to get an area in a right angle triangle, it will be half, right, base times height. Okay, so half, what is your base? Your base here, you can see your area is expressed in terms of x, right? So we'll write our base in terms of x. That distance there is from 0 to x, so it is x. Can you see? Then the height from here, right? So the height represent the y, because this is the y-axis, right? Till that point, we know that the y there is the same as 4 minus x squared over 4. Okay, because the height is ending there at b, where y is actually 4 minus x squared over 4. Okay, so the base is x, but the height, it is y, or f of x, which we can replace by 4 minus x squared over 4, right? Then we can simplify this. We have 1 over 2x into 4 minus x squared over 4. Then if we multiply this by this times this, so 1 over 2x times 4, it will give us 4x over 2, which is 2x. Okay, then 1 over 2x times x squared over 4 is gonna give us minus 1 over 2 x exponent 3 divided by 4, right? So this is divided by 4. Basically that will be 1 over 2 times 4, which is 1 over 8, right? X exponent 3. So that will be your area. I think they just made a slight mistake here, because that should be x exponent 3, right? Because if you check, it's x times x squared, so might perhaps be a slight mistake there on their side. Okay, let's go to 9.3. Okay, 9.3, it says determine how far D should be from O in order that the area of triangle OPD is as large as possible, right? So this term means that we need to find where to put D such that we will be able to create the maximum area. Okay, this is about maximization now, right? So you can see that the quantity we need to maximize is the area. We need to have the equation for the area. So 9.2 has already showed you how the area is, right? It's 2x minus x exponent 3 over 8. Okay, so that is the equation of the area in terms of x, right? We already have the equation of something we need to maximize, which is the area. What can we do? We have to first derive this equation. Remember from our application of calculus, if I need to maximize something, get the equation of that thing, derive it, equate the derivative to 0, solve for the variables, and go and check which variable will actually maximize, which one will minimize. Okay, so we're gonna derivate this 2x. When you derivate it, it will be 2. Then this one will be minus 1 over 8 times 3 x exponent 3 minus 1, right? So this will be x exponent 2. This will be 3 over 8. Okay, so we're gonna equate our first derivative to 0. We have 2 minus 8 over 3x squared is equals to 0, right? Then I can just take this to the other side. So I have 2 equals to 8 over 3x squared. To solve for x, I can divide both sides by 8 over 3 or simply multiply by the reciprocal of this, right? So it will be 2 times 3 over 8, 8 over 3 times 3 over 8. I'm multiplying by the reciprocal so that this and this cancel. Then I have x squared. I'm just gonna write it on top, guys. So I have x squared is equals to 2 times 3, 6 over 8. All right. Then x will be plus or minus the root of 6 over 8. Then we can finally get the answer for x. All right. X will be plus or minus root 3 divided by 2, which is approximately in decimal 0.87. All right, so we can now answer the question. Obviously x can be negative in this case because it's the distance, right? Distance should be positive in this case. We'll consider the positive answer, x equals to 0.87. so how far should D be from O? D should be 0.87 units away from O so that we can get the what? The maximum area. Alright, I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.